Hare Krishna. This is my sloka recordings for sloka recitation test for Bhakti Vedanta Module 1. The sloka that I will recite now are from serial number 9 to serial number 15 given in the Bhakti Vedanta Module 1 manual. The slokas are from 7th canto and slokas text numbers are 798, 7919, 25, 28, 43, 45 and 712.1. ब्रह्मादय सुरगणा मुनयोऽथ सिद्धा सत्त्वेकता नगतयो वचसां प्रवाहे सत्त्वेकता नगतयो वचसां प्रवाहे नाराधितुं पुरुगुणे अधुनापि पिप्रो किं तोष्टुमर्हति समे हर्योग्रजाते. Prahlad Maharaj prayed, "How is it possible for me, who have been born in the family of Asura, to satisfy suitable prayer for the Supreme Personality of Godhead? Even until now, all the demigods, headed by Lord Brahma and all saintly persons, could not satisfy the Lord by the streams of their excellent words. Although these personalities are highly qualified and situated in the mode of goodness, then what to be said about me? I am not at all qualified to satisfy the Lord. Balasneha saranam pitaro nusingha Balasneha saranam pitaro nisingha नार्तस्य चागदम् उदन्वति मजत्नो तृप्तस्य तत्प्रतिविधिर्यञ्जसायिष्टस् तावत् विभोतनुभृतं तद् उपेक्षितानां तावत् विभोतनुभृतं तदुपेक्षितानां. My Lord Narsingadev, O Supreme Lord, because of a bodily conception of life, the conditioned embodied souls neglected and not cared for by you could not do anything for their betterment. Whatever remedies they adopt in the life, although it looks beneficial for the time being, proves to be futile after some time. For example, a father and a mother cannot give protection to their children. Doctor and medicine cannot give relief to their suffering patients. And a boat in the ocean cannot rescue a drowning man. Kutrasisa suti sukha mriga trishna rupa Kutrasisa sruti sukha mriga trishna rupa Koedam kalebaram ase sarujam viroha Nirvidyate natu jano yadapiti vidvan Nirvidyate natu jano yadapiti vidvan Kamanalam madhulabhe samayandurape. In this material world, every living entity desires some fruitive happiness, which is like a mirage in the desert. Where is water in the desert? In other words, where is happiness in this material world? And if there is happiness in the material world, what is its value for the human body? And this body, of course, this human body is a source of different kinds of diseases. So-called philosopher, scientists, politicians, they very well know this. still they are hankering for temporary material happiness. Actually, the real happiness is very difficult to obtain. But since they are unable to control their senses, they are running behind the oasis or mirage kind of temporary happiness of this material world and miss the real goal of human life. Evam janamam nipatitam prabhavahi kope. Evam janamam nipatitam prabhavahi kope. Kamabhikamanoya prapatan prasangat. Kritva surasina bhagavan grahita. Soham kathan visarje tava bhrita sevam. Prahlad Maharaj is praying to the Lord, my Lord, O Supreme Personality of Godhead, because of my association with material desires, I am gradually falling in the dark well full of snakes. But your servant Narada Muni has kindly accepted me as his disciples and gave me instruction how to achieve these transcendental positions. Therefore, my topmost service is to render service to my Guru Narada Muni. How could I leave his service? Naibad Vijay Paradurataya Vaitarenyas. Naibad Vijay Paradurataya Vaitarenyas. Tabira Gayana Mahamrita Magnachita. Tabira Gayana Mahamrita Magnachita. Sachetato Vimukha Chetasa Indriyartha. Maya Sukhaya Bharanam Udbaham. Maya Sukhaya Bharamam Udbahato Vimudhan. Sachetato Vimukha Chetasa Indriyartha. Maya Sukhaya Bharanam Udbahato Vimudhan. O best of the all personalities, O Supreme Lord, I am not at all afraid for my material existence, because whatever state or wherever in the material I will remain, I will be fully absorbed in the thoughts of your glories and activities. My only concern is for the fools and the rascal of this material world who are making efforts for material happiness and doing great plans for that, and thus maintaining their families, societies, and countries. I am simply concerned with love for them. Yan maithunadi grihamedhi sukham hitucham. Kanjo yanena karayor ibadukha dukham. Kanjo yanena karayor ibadukha dukham. Tripyanti neha kripana bahudukha bhaja. Tripyanti neha kripana bahudukha bhaja. Kanjoti ban manasijam visaheta dhira. Sex life is compared to the rubbing of two hands to relieve on each. Grihamedis or so-called Grihasthas who have no spiritual knowledge think that this itching is the greatest platform of happiness, although it is a source of misery. On the other hand, Kripana, the fools and rascals, they are never satisfied from this repeated sensual enjoyment. However, Dhira persons means who are sober and who tolerate this itching are never subjected to the sufferings of fools and rascals. Sri Narada Uvacha ब्रह्मचारी गुरुकुले वासन्दन्तो गुरोर्हितम् आचर्यन्ता सबन्निचो गुरो सुदृढ़ सहृद. A student should practice completely controlling his senses. He should be submissive and should have an attitude of firm friendship for the spiritual master. With great vow, Brahmachari should stay at Gurukula only for the benefit of his Guru. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.